Today I'm going to make an island pecan pie. It's a pecan pie with a tropical twist. It's going to have coconut and pineapple in it. And if you wanted to, you could even substitute macadamia nuts for the pecans in this pie. I've done it and it's very good. But today we're using pecans. So let's get started on Darlene's table. This is my homemade pie crust that I baked this morning. So it's all completely baked, golden, and cooled. So we'll set that over here for now. All right, I'm going to start with the 2 cups of sugar, salt. This is 2 tablespoons of flour and 1 tablespoon of cornmeal. And we're going to stir this up and mix it. All right, I'm going to add the eggs. I only have 5 here because they were extra large eggs and they were really large. It calls for 6 large eggs, but that's why we only have 5, because these were 5 extra large eggs. Now, all right, we're going to mix in the eggs. Make sure they're blended in with this sugar real well. Now I'm going to add the vanilla. You know, I love that vanilla bean paste. I love the flavor. So, this is mixed well, and now I'll add the next ingredients and just fold them in. Start with the coconut. I want to make sure there's no lumps of coconut. This is sweetened flake coconut. Break up any lumps. Now the pecans. And the pineapple. I squeezed the liquid. I didn't just drain it. I squeezed it with my hands to get all the liquid out. I didn't want any added liquid in my pie. Now we'll just fold these ingredients into the egg mixture. And next will be the melted butter. This is 1 stick or half a cup of melted butter. Don't use margarine, just butter. Once this is folded in, it'll go into the pie shell, the pre-baked pie shell. Now when this bakes, the coconut and the pineapple rise to the top just like the pecans. It's such a surprise to bite into this and such a delight. It's so refreshing. All right, so I put that pie ring around there because it was a pre-baked pie shell. I don't want my outer edge browning anymore. So 325 for 50 minutes. After about 40 minutes, I put the foil on top of it to prevent it from browning more. All right, now I'm going to let it cool. Isn't that pretty? Tastes so good. I'm telling you, I promise you will love this pie. Okay, island pecan pie. It's a pecan pie filled with pineapple, coconut, and of course pecans. Now I know some of you might be saying, I don't know about that, but trust me, it's fantastic. It's definitely a pecan pie, but then the pineapple and coconut flavors come through in just the right amount. It brightens up the palate with a bit of a surprise. A great recipe for any occasion. You can substitute macadamia nuts for the pecans, and I have. It works either way, but I do prefer pecans. So go to darlenestable.com, find the recipe with all the ingredients so you can make this yourself. I'll put a direct link to it in the video description and comment. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, well, give us a like and consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with what's going on right here on Darlene's Table.